Synthetic exosomes are engineered nanostructures designed to mimic the natural exosomes that cells use for communication. Exosomes are small vesicles secreted by cells to transfer molecules like proteins, RNA, and lipids to other cells, playing crucial roles in processes such as immune response, tissue repair, and disease progression. Synthetic exosomes replicate these functions, but they can be tailored to deliver therapeutic agents like drugs, RNA, or CRISPR components directly to target cells, offering unprecedented precision in medicine. For example, synthetic exosomes can be engineered to carry anti-cancer drugs and deliver them only to tumor cells, sparing healthy tissues and reducing side effects. They can also be functionalized with surface markers to home in on specific cell types, such as neurons for neurodegenerative diseases. Imagine a delivery drone that not only carries a package but also knows exactly which house to deliver it to, avoiding all the wrong addresses. Synthetic exosomes act as these molecular delivery systems, advancing targeted therapy, regenerative medicine, and even vaccine development by leveraging nature's communication pathways with precision engineering.
Synthetic exosomes are bioengineered nanovesicles designed to mimic the structure and function of natural exosomes, which are lipid-bound vesicles secreted by cells to mediate intercellular communication. Natural exosomes carry a cargo of biomolecules such as proteins, RNAs, lipids, and metabolites, transferring information and regulating processes like immune response, tissue repair, and disease progression. Synthetic exosomes replicate these roles, but are customized for therapeutic purposes, enabling the targeted delivery of drugs, genetic materials, or imaging agents. Example: synthetic exosomes loaded with therapeutic RNA molecules can deliver them to specific cancer cells, silencing oncogenes and halting tumor growth. Analogy: synthetic exosomes are like personalized delivery drones programmed to deliver precise cargo to specific locations, ensuring efficiency and avoiding collateral damage. Natural exosomes originate from the endosomal pathway, where multivesicular bodies, MVBs, form and release exosomes into the extracellular environment. These vesicles facilitate long-distance cellular communication by carrying bioactive molecules to recipient cells. The lipid bilayer of exosomes protects their cargo from enzymatic degradation, ensuring effective delivery. Synthetic exosomes are inspired by these features and are engineered to enhance their stability, target specificity, and loading efficiency. Example: exosomes released by immune cells, such as dendritic cells, play a key role in coordinating immune responses by delivering antigens and signaling molecules to T cells. Analogy: natural exosomes are like encrypted messages securely delivered between cells, while synthetic exosomes are engineered to deliver specific, high-priority messages with greater precision. Synthetic exosomes can be fabricated using various methods, including top-down approaches, modifying natural exosomes, and bottom-up approaches, assembling vesicles from lipids or polymers. These vesicles are functionalized with specific surface markers or ligands to enable precise targeting. Their cargo can include therapeutic agents like small molecules, siRNA, mRNA, CRISPR-Cas9, or even imaging dyes for diagnostics. Advanced techniques such as microfluidics and electroporation enhance the efficiency of cargo loading into synthetic exosomes. Example: synthetic exosomes functionalized with antibodies can selectively target HER2-positive breast cancer cells, delivering chemotherapy drugs directly to tumor sites. Analogy: engineering synthetic exosomes is like designing customized gift boxes that not only carry the perfect gift, but also include instructions for delivery to the right recipient. Synthetic exosomes revolutionize drug delivery by enabling targeted therapies that minimize off-target effects. Their surface can be decorated with ligands or peptides that bind specifically to receptors on target cells, ensuring precise delivery of therapeutic cargo. This targeted approach reduces systemic toxicity and enhances the therapeutic index of drugs. Additionally, the biocompatibility of synthetic exosomes reduces immune rejection and increases circulation time in the body. In preclinical studies, synthetic exosomes have been used to deliver doxorubicin, a chemotherapy drug, to cancer cells. This approach spares healthy cells and reduces cardiotoxicity, enhancing treatment safety and effectiveness. Targeted drug delivery with synthetic exosomes is like using GPS-enabled drones to deliver packages only to the intended address, avoiding accidental drop-offs and ensuring precise and efficient delivery. Synthetic exosomes offer an ideal platform for delivering RNA-based therapies and gene-editing tools like CRISPR-Cas9. Their nanoscale size and lipid bilayer allow them to cross biological barriers, such as the blood-brain barrier, and deliver genetic material directly to specific cells. By protecting RNA or CRISPR components from enzymatic degradation, synthetic exosomes ensure efficient gene silencing, activation, or editing. This protection enhances the stability and effectiveness of genetic therapies. Synthetic exosomes carrying CRISPR-Cas9 components have been successfully used to correct genetic mutations in mouse models of genetic disorders, demonstrating their potential in precision medicine and advanced gene therapies. Synthetic exosomes delivering gene-editing tools are like couriers carrying specialized repair kits to fix faulty wiring in a high-security facility, ensuring targeted and secure modifications. Synthetic exosomes can be engineered to promote tissue repair and regeneration by delivering growth factors, cytokines, or nucleic acids to damaged tissues. They mimic the natural regenerative functions of exosomes derived from stem cells, but are enhanced for greater efficacy. Synthetic exosomes can also stimulate angiogenesis, modulate inflammation, or support cell proliferation in targeted areas. These functions aid in the rebuilding of tissues and the restoration of normal biological functions. In cardiac repair, synthetic exosomes loaded with VEF, vascular endothelial growth factor, have been shown to promote blood vessel formation and improve heart function after myocardial infarction, aiding in effective cardiac regeneration. In regenerative medicine, synthetic exosomes act like precision tools deployed to rebuild and restore damaged structures with high accuracy, ensuring effective and targeted tissue regeneration.
Synthetic exosomes are being explored as platforms for delivering antigens in vaccine development. Their ability to present antigens on their surface and deliver them to immune cells, such as dendritic cells, makes them potent inducers of immune responses. Synthetic exosomes can also carry immunomodulatory agents to suppress or enhance immune activity, offering applications in treating autoimmune diseases or cancers. Example: synthetic exosomes loaded with viral antigens have been used to stimulate robust immune responses in preclinical vaccine studies for diseases like COVID-19 and influenza. Analogy: in vaccine development, synthetic exosomes are like well-equipped couriers delivering immunization blueprints to the body's defense headquarters. Synthetic exosomes can be functionalized with imaging agents or biosensors for use in diagnostics and non-invasive imaging. By targeting specific tissues or cells, they can provide real-time information about disease progression, tumor location, or cellular activity. Their nanoscale size and biocompatibility make them ideal for use in sensitive imaging techniques like fluorescence and PET scans. Example: synthetic exosomes carrying fluorescent dyes have been used to image metastatic cancer cells in vivo, helping to track tumor spread. Analogy: in diagnostics, synthetic exosomes act like scout drones equipped with cameras to map out disease landscapes. While synthetic exosomes hold immense promise, challenges remain in optimizing their fabrication, scalability, and clinical translation. Issues like off-target effects, stability in circulation, and large-scale production need to be addressed. Future research focuses on integrating advanced bioengineering techniques such as machine learning-guided design and expanding their applications to complex diseases. Example: efforts are underway to develop synthetic exosome platforms that can cross the blood-brain barrier more effectively, unlocking treatments for neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Analogy: the challenges in synthetic exosome development are like perfecting a fleet of delivery drones to operate reliably under diverse and challenging conditions.